all student. Today I am going to explain you what is scaffold and how to create scaffold. First I will click it start a new Flutter project. Here I am selecting the Flutter application. This is the first priority of the Flutter. This is the project name of our application. Rule for naming application is lower case with underscore. If you use other convention, they will show you error. appBar, just try it. Other convention, appBar, this show error. appBar, Flutter SDK path. Where you installed your Flutter SDK path, select from there. Click on three dot. I already installed a folder. Flutter, click. This is the path of the Flutter SDK. This is the project location where you stored your project. I already stored in a folder. A new Flutter application change. The name was already stored. I changed to adjust S. Click next. This is the package name. Next, finish. Wait for a while, they will take a few minutes. Still in progress, wait for a while. Within the test folder, this is the left folder. Here include main.dart file. This is in test folder. We have one more file which is test.dart. For now, let's delete it. I will remove it little bit code from here. Main.dart. This is the file where we will write our code. Main.dart, this is the library which contain all the material widget. Main.dart, this is the package name of our project. This is the material dart. All widget include in this material.dart file. Void main. This is the entry point of our application. We will write all the code within the main method. Purpose of this method to implement the widget and attach to the screen. Run a method's purpose is that to implement the all widget to show in the home screen. Here I will return material app. Return material This is the material. What is the purpose of material? Material is the starting point of your application. It tells Flutter that you are going to use material component and follow the material design. This is the structure diagram of our Flutter application. Follow this diagram. First, I return material app. Inside material app, we have home attribute, title attribute, and inside a home scaffold. Scaffold have two attribute, body, appBar. This is structure. Follow at this structure. No here. I will write home attribute widget home. Again check it. Inside home we have scaffold. Next attribute. What is scaffold? Scaffold is used under material app. This is the material app, and this material app under use scaffold. It give you many basic functionality. Scaffold give you many basic functionality like appBar, bottom navigation bar, driver, floating action, button, etc. etc. After scaffold attribute we have appBar. Now I will declare it appBar. Inside appBar title hello Flutter. Again skipper fr inside title. Inside title we have next attribute text. Sorry. Hello Flutter. Check material app under material home attribute under home attribute scaffold widget under scaffold scaffold divide two attribute two widget body appBar have inside title have text attribute. This is left side I completed. Check it. Material app is second home. After home appBar title. After title text. Complete this. Next. Body. I will declare here body. After appBar body. Text. Hello Flutter. What is scaffold? The statement this is I will run it our application. I will just start emulator. Don't show here emulator. I will stop it for a while. I will run it. This is emulator. Wait for a minute. Still in progress. Wait. This is the appBar. This is inside appBar. Hello Flutter. Next, text body. Text. Hello Flutter. What is Scaffold? What is appBar? It displays a horizontal bar which mainly places at the top of the scaffold. This is the horizontal appBar which mainly places top of the scaffold. appBar uses the widget appBar on property body. It displays the main or primary content in the scaffold. This is the body of the scaffold. Center, how to change the background color of the appBar, also the main body. Change the background colors. This how to make this text into center. I will place the left side text into center here. Use center title. True. I will run it again. Check the center title. Hello words know the place in the center. The appBar color is changed into the yellow color. How to change the whole home screen color. Background, color dot this color dot blue. The white color will be replaced to blue color. I will refresh it again. this. Check it, the blue color is now replaced with the white color will replaced with the blue color. No, I want to this text to sit in the center, the about text left side. I will set it into the center. How? Use center widget, no child, copy this, paste here. Now the text will be in the center. I will refresh. Check it, the text is now in the center. Font size. Font size. How to increase the size of the font? Use style property, text style, color, colors dot colors white, font size, the size of the font must be in the decimal form. I will refresh it again. The black color will be replaced to white color. The size of the text letter will increase. Check it, the color of the text is white, the size is increased to 30. I have explained with comment here. This is the code. What is Scaffold? How to explain Scaffold? What is appBar? Where we use appBar? Where we use Scaffold? If any issue, comment in the below section. I will respond you quickly in the comment, also in the email.